Writing to Learn Journal 6. TEAK. The TEAK I chose, Physical Activity and Health. The student applies fitness principles during a personal fitness program. The student is expected to participate in a variety of activities that develop health-related physical fitness activities, including aerobic exercise to develop cardiovascular efficiency. Nature of words. Words are symbols of concept. Words therefore have to have many associations for us. Associations that are not directly connected to a word. Denotative meaning is a connotative. Associations that are concerned with the word's general meaning and that they are likely to be shared by most users of the word is denotative. So the denotative of the TEAK, we would use like the word cardiovascular, and true definition for that is it relates to the heart and blood vessels. The connotative of cardiovascular, students could think the heart, blood, veins, running, exercise, all those words relate to, or some way relate to, cardiovascular. Methods of introduction. Formal definitions. When a teacher or text introduces a new word by stating its definition and then offering examples that may or may not conform to the definition. Feature analysis. When introducing a group or concepts, all of which are the members of the same category, a teacher can employ an efficient approach called feature analysis. The feature analysis chart permits comparison of any pair of concepts by noting features shared, features possessed by one of the concepts, the features possessed by neither concept. Methods of introduction. These are just a list of some of the introductions you could start with your TEAK. Could be graphic organizers, tree diagrams, Venn diagrams, timeline and continua, labeled pictures, sociograms, hybrid types, symptomatic maps. In my TEAK personally, you could use any of them, but the ones I would use labeled pictures to show how to do a specific exercise, or even show like a picture of what happens if you don't have a very strong cardiovascular system. It can lead to heart failure and whatnot. I would also use Venn diagrams to show different workouts for the cardiovascular system and how it would all come full circle and help you out in the end. More methods of introduction. Word methods, word parts, word origins, false definitions. I know, again, you can use any of these, for my TEAK at least. I would use false definitions, get the definition that they think they have of having an efficient cardiovascular system, and take that out of their head and replace it with the correct information. Word origins, I could always explain where the word came from, but that really wouldn't be a part of the lesson. But in the end, they're just trying to get the message of having proper aerobic exercises so you can have a strong cardiovascular system.